But if you go through the text at the beginning itself, it's a no confidence motion. It should have been a resolution. I am not at technical point alone. And the rule clearly says, Constitution Article 90 may be removed from his office by a resolution of the Council. May be removed from his office, please, Kesharava Garu, 1 minute, we don't mind that. May be removed from the office by a resolution of the Council passed by majority and then members of the Council, provided no resolution for the purpose of Clause C shall be moved unless at least 14 days notice has been given of the intention to move the resolution. There was no 14 days prior notice. Clear? And any time, if you have the numbers, that is the rule. Please, please. Wait. Let me complete. Let me. Yes, agree?
So you can have the call on the 14th day of the house.
Yes, yes. You are right. Not judgment, that's the rule. Whatever judgment we say, the rule says 14 days. He is right. After 14 days, we have to take up that resolution. If the resolution is in order. Now only 2 days or 3 days are over since I received the notice. One, notice not in order because it mentions a motion, not resolution. Second, 14 days time. And then the interpretation is that within that period, the deputy chairman shall not preside over the house. That is wrong. That is after I take it for consideration. When the motion and the resolution is for consideration of the house, the person against whom the resolution is moved is not supposed to preside over the house. That is the rule position. Please try to understand. Then coming to the issue. Now people are trying to put the blame on the chair for extending the time of the house. Members may ask for extension of the time, may say no, this time is sufficient, whatever it is. And once the chair comes to a conclusion, because the chair was guided by the time allotted was 4 hours. Everybody, according to my information, whatever whoever has given name, they have been allowed to speak. All members who have given the names, they have been allowed to speak. So members spoke according to the time allotted to their party and it is access also. One. Secondly, the minister was replying. So the deputy chairman asked the minister to give the reply and then go ahead. And then, with regard to the issue raised by saying that the division, yes, members have a right to ask for division on different occasions. On this occasion, they should ask for a division. Then the deputy chairman, on record, you can verify. If there is something wrong, again you can bring it to our notice and we can rectify the mistakes for future. The proceeding says 13 times the deputy chairman from here said, please go to your seat, I will allow division. 13 times, 13 बार उन्होंने यहाँ से अनाउंस किया. मगर member, no, please, no, please, sure. Then they have not gone. Okay. Then now, that is as far as the procedures are concerned. Suspension of members, I give the instances where members were suspended, different parties, including ruling party. Earlier, ruling party members were suspended. And the House has taken up a particular resolution. Then secondly, there were a number of instances where the House has passed the bills without division in din also, which is not a healthy thing, I do agree. But there are a number of instances. Then thirdly, the deputy chairman gave caution and told them 13 times. Okay. Now coming to, I don't want to prolong it from my side, coming to what Ram Gopal ji has said and what Kesharava ji has said, others have said. To hear is human. Emotion में आया, थोड़ा हो गया. At least I am happy, at least some leaders said what happened was not good. Some leaders are justifying this, different matter. I have not named anybody. I don't want to name. But please read today's newspapers. If the members, in that heat, sometimes emotion, they do something, later realizing it, they say, I should not have done it. And then sometimes makes a statement, sometimes says, I should not have done it at least. You know. But today, go through the newspapers, at least Indian Express, has carried an interview of all the 8 members who have been suspended. They all justified it. Not only justified, they said, please, we are on a motive issue, please. Not only justified, they said what is wrong in that. And also confirmed that they have done it, some of them. Yes, going to, well, what is there? No, that is not, I am not saying this way or that way, Sir. Today, emotion was that day, please, Jaya ji, please. मैंने सबको रोका, even I have asked the minister, तो बोले जाए तो रिकॉर्ड में नहीं आएगा, आप लोग भी बोला, वो भी बोले, दोनों ने बोलना चाहिए, सिंपल। ऐसा नहीं, किनकी वजह से क्या हुआ वो देश वाले तय करते, देश का जनता तय करते। Then the set getting onto the table, dancing, nothing wrong. Tearing the papers, nothing wrong. Throwing them into the house, nothing wrong. Going to the deputy chairman, this side and that side. Some people justified all this. I cannot justify it. I do agree with Ram Gopalji. If somebody has done it on the spur of the moment or emotionally, sometimes it happens, I do agree. And if they realize, then that is a different matter. The chair and the house or the parties, they should take note of that. 4 hours time allocated, discussion, every party has participated, and then bills were passed in din earlier. So don't try to put the blame onto the chair, onto the whoever is presiding over the chair, the house. Deputy chairman, I must again put it on record, with utmost restraint. That's your view. He has handled the situation in a very deft manner. And then, if some people feel whether my way or highway, that is not the way. No way. I will not accept it. You have the numbers, you should stay in your seat, ask for division, and if the deputy chairman has not allowed the division, then I would have, please, don't, and the chair is on his legs. Please. When the time is exhausted, when he said go to your seats and division, you don't bother. And now you say the government did not have the numbers. I don't want to get into that. That's not my business. Whether the government has numbers or not numbers, that they will say, and when an occasion comes, it can be proved. Even today or tomorrow, at the earliest, if there is an occasion, the members ask division as per the rules. The deputy chairman will definitely allow it, and it can be proved who has the numbers and who has no numbers and all. And then coming to last point, I don't want to take further time. We are also pained. We are also human beings. We are doing our duty. And what is happening also will have effect on our health also, on the health of many of the members. Why don't you think about that also? And moreover, there is a COVID general instruction for the people. And I don't know this situation is going to come. 3 days back I have said it in the house, please follow the guidelines. Keep distance. And also wear full masks and all for future. And then what happened yesterday in the backdrop of that, so that is totally unsustainable. Then I have told the Secretary General today, the entire campus is in the administrative control of the Speaker. As the chairman, I have directed my Secretary General to get in touch with the Lok Sabha Secretariat and see to it that proper care is taken about the people who are protesting. Though the Secretary General reminded me and also showed me 13 of this month before starting the session. At that time, no dispute or no hangama at that time. Members cannot use the precincts of the Parliament House for any demonstration, dharna, strike, fast, or for the purpose of performing a religious ceremony also. That is the instruction. Keeping that instruction, I appeal to the members, please follow the instructions, and whatever you want to say or do it democratically, and also follow the health advice in your interest, in the interest of others, and in the interest of the people at the country. And democracy means Democracy means debate, discussion, decision, not disruption. That has to be understood. Right. Minister, Leader of the House, Leader of the House. No, please, let it be over. Let it be over. There cannot be remarks of the chair. I will give you a chance, please. Leader of the House.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
जी,
आपने
थैंक यू.
आपने नेता प्रतिपक्ष को बोलने का अवसर दिया, उन्होंने अपनी बातें रखी. 2 दिन पूर्व की जो घटना है उन्होंने उसको दुखद बताया, परंतु दुखद बताने के साथ ही साथ उसको सही ठहराने की कोशिश की और आसंदी से जो जो निर्णय हुए उसको गलत ठहराने की कोशिश की.
I will give you an opportunity, sir. Leader of the House is on his legs. Please. If you don't mind.
Listen, I beg of you, in my 60 years, I have seen such circumstances in Bangalore. As an opposition leader, I worked. I beg of you, the government also should come to some understanding. Both opposition and the
Right.
government should sit together, help you to run the house. With all sincerely, I am begging you. I know you. Please, I have seen the circumstances. On 20th, when I came and took the oath, what the expression you have made, I am supremely happy, sir. But the only thing is, we have come to the breaking point. No, democracy should work. Cooperation of the opposition is not the question of numerical strength. Even one member, Watar Nagaraj, I would like to tell you, sir, they were suspended. One member, I allowed the government to run the house smoothly, withdrawing the decision made by the speaker. It is not the speaker, it is the government stand. I told Devarajas, no. So with my experience, I will tell you, we want to run the house. Please, I am watching every day. We are not coming here for tamash. Everybody is sincere.
Thank you.
Question of word about the bill. X may something, Y may something. Ultimately, the decision of the house, we have to accept it. Please think over, sir.
No, he's saying something.
I will appeal to you.
He's completing.
Please think over. I was watching the deputy speaker, deputy chairman. Such a thing I have not seen. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Prahlad
I will
Joshi.
appeal to the government.
Parliamentary Minister.
Please.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister. Parliamentary Affairs Minister. Please. Okay, Devaraji, I take it in good spirit. I take it in good spirit. Sri Prahlad Joshi.
Sir.
Minister. Right. I will allow you, please sit down. I will allow you. I said, don't force me. No, you first hear me, then other. I said, yes, okay. There is a chair who has to regulate the house. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister want to say something.
Sir, you have expressed your agony and pain, sir, and equally we are also pained. In democracy, both opposition and ruling party together we should discuss, as you rightly said, sir. Ghulam Nabi ji has raised few issues. First, he has raised about the समय टाइम का रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं रहना चाहिए. मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं सर, जो समय का रिस्ट्रिक्शन ये तो हम आने के बाद और आप आने के बाद ये नहीं हुआ. पहले से ये समय का रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, क्योंकि वी हैव गॉट सम लिमिटेशन. एंड आई वुड आल्सो पुट इट टू like to put it on record. Many leaders personally they have spoken to me, and they have told to conclude it as early as possible. In spite of that, under your leadership, sir, under your guidance, because I always take your guidance, because you were national president of the party when I was the district president. So I always take your advice, and whatever you have advised, to talk to all other leaders. And when they suggested, I said, if you want to conclude it early, then the discussion maybe it all depends on you, how much time it should be allocated, but all the time, the timing is allocated in Business Advisory Committee, sir. And that is followed, sir. even on the bills which were passed day before yesterday, 4 hours was allocated, 9:30 dot you started the discussion, and till 1 o'clock it went on, sir. And at 1 o'clock, I requested for the extension of time till the dispose of those particular 2 bills. Sir, may I submit it through you, sir? Is it the first time that we have extended the timing of the House? Many times, sir, even in this current session, we have extended the time twice or thrice before to that. 1:30, 1:45, we have done that, sir. And the intention of the government is, since the discussion was complete, as per we decided in the Business Advisory Committee, we wanted to complete it. And they are talking about the division, sir. Deputy Chairman, repeatedly, as soon as I requested for the extension of time, they were in the well, sir. I appealed to them, sir, through you, that let them have the look at the proceedings which have been recorded. As soon as I said, they came into the well, and the first person who was to move the resolution for sending it to the committee, his seat is allocated on the top, and he was there in this well, and he was asking. Of course, it has not gone into record. Sir, you please wait. I will go and move it. But even then, he did not go, and he did not move. Right. These are all the things, sir. And many a times, when the sending of the resolution to send the committee was going on, Deputy Chairman, many a times, he requested to go back to their seats, and I am ready to allow the division.
13 times.
13 times. And also, sir, is it not a painful thing, sir, in a elder house, which is the most respected one, going to the almost attacking the Deputy Chairman? And is it not true, sir? One of the marshal was physically attacked. Was he not threw away? Sir, is it the way to behave in the House, sir? And after that, as you rightly said, sir, as you rightly said, if they express their regret, government is not bent upon to keep them away and run the business, sir. We are on very strong footage, sir. Even on this bill, I don't want to go on the merit of that bill, sir. But whatever previously all parties, they have promised in their manifesto, including Bharatiya Janata Party.
Don't go into merit.
I'm not going, that itself is done, sir. But in spite of that, we are ready for the discussion because we are on very strong footage, sir.
Right.
And last point, sir. And they are
I have already called the leader of the House.
Sir,
he was on his legs.
Sir, let me. Sir, another point, sir. When they are talking about the numbers I don't want to go, sir. It was on that day particularly, it was in our favor, it was 110, and it was in there for it is 72, sir, which can be proved again, sir.
Right.
And
that
people,
that is different.
And sir,
Please.
no, ठीक है, sir. If
please conclude.
Sir, if you feel
Please sit down.
it is incorrect,
I will call you. No?
Sir, if you say I will withdraw it, sir, I don't have any prestige on that, but I can very confidently say that we had the numbers, and in spite of that, we were ready for the division also, and even if they express the regret and come here, today also, if there is division, we are okay, sir. And all the time, and she talked about the MSP, why it is announced. Sir, it is an ongoing process. Before to this also, MSP was there, and now it is the decision is taken when the appropriate time has come, sir. And I would also tell, sir, the issue of, he called it as illegitimate. It is very, very unfortunate, sir. And I would only tell, sir, one week morning and 1 week evening, that was decided after talking to each other, speaker and chairman, after having a talk, it is decided, sir. And still then, if all the leaders and under your kind guidance, if they want to extend the time and discuss more, government is quite open, sir. We are not running away from discussion, sir.
Right.
Once again, I appeal them for whatever has happened. People have gone up to the deputy chair.
8 మంది ఎంపీలపై సస్పెన్షన్ వేటు పడిన నేపథ్యంలో చైర్మన్ ప్రసంగాన్ని